Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Vibes, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Julia. Hello, everyone. It's truly amazing to be here today for another awesome chat.
Hi, Steve. How are you doing today? You look very bright and full of energy.
I'm fantastic, Julia. Thank you. I'm just incredibly ready to put our listeners' ears to the test today.
Oh, I love that energy, Steve. Today, we are hosting our ultimate 3-level English listening challenge.
Oh, a listening challenge? That sounds intriguing. How does it work?
We will play 3 natural conversations at real native speed, and our listeners have to try to understand them without stopping.
Wow. And what happens if they miss a few words? Should they panic?
Not at all. After each conversation, you and I will break down all the tricky parts, the slang and the fast blended words.
Perfect. That is like having a friendly tour guide in a fast-talking city.
Exactly. And listen closely, everyone. If you stay until the very end, I will share a golden trick that will instantly help you decode fast English in movies.
Wow, a golden trick for movies? I definitely need to hear that, because native speakers talk like rockets in films.
You have to wait just a little bit, Steve. But before we start the game, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button.
Yes, please do. Share this video with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support means the world to us.
It really does. Thank you so much, Vibe Squad. Now, Steve, are you ready to jump into challenge number 1?
I am completely ready. Let's do it.
Wonderful. For this first challenge, we are starting at a comfortable A1, A2 level.
The setting is very simple. 2 friends are talking about what they want to do this weekend.
Listen closely to the speed and the casual words. Here we go.
Hey, what are you up to this Sunday?
Not much. Just hanging out at home. What's up?
I'm going to check out that new burger joint by the park. Want to come?
Oh, I'd love to. Let's grab lunch around 1 p.m.
Perfect. See you there. And that is the end of conversation number 1. Did you catch the main idea?
2 friends are meeting for burgers on Sunday. But let's look at the secret fast-spoken phrases.
At the start, I asked, "What are you up to?" This is just a casual way to say, "What are your plans?"
Yes, and instead of saying going to, Steve pronounced it as gonna. It's everywhere.
Exactly. And I didn't say, "Want to come?" I said, "Wanna come." We glue those words together automatically.
Then Steve used the phrasal verb check out. That means to explore or try something new.
And we decided to grab lunch. In American English, grab means to get food or drinks quickly.
Finally, Steve said see ya, turning the word you into a relaxed ya sound. Very natural.
Fantastic. If you got that right, give yourself 1 point. Now, let's step up the difficulty to level 2.
This second scene is a solid A2 level and takes place inside a busy electronics store.
One person is a customer with a problem, and the other is a helpful store worker. Focus your ears.
Hi, can I help you find something today?
Hi, I need to return this headphones box. They just don't work right.
No problem. Give me just a second to check if we have another one in stock.
Thanks.
You're in luck. There's one more right here.
Time is up for level 2. Shopping in English can feel like a roller coaster, but you did great.
Let's unpack the magic words here. The customer said the headphones don't work right, which means they are broken or defective.
And when I answered, I didn't say, give me. I said, gimme. It blends into one quick sound.
Yes, "Gimme a second" is a staple of daily life. Then you checked if the item was in stock, meaning available in the store.
Exactly. If it's empty, it's out of stock. And finally, I told the customer, "You're in luck."
That phrase means you are fortunate because something good just happened, like finding the last pair.
Beautiful. Add another point to your score if you understood that store interaction. Now, let's move to level 3, our ultimate test.
This final conversation is an A2B1 level, and it happens over the telephone.
Remember, phone calls are trickier because you can't see the person's face.
A customer is calling a clinic to reschedule an appointment. Listen carefully.
Medical Care Clinic, this is Sarah. How can I help you?
Hi, I need to reschedule my doctor's visit for this Tuesday. Something came up.
Sure, let me pull up your chart. Do you have an opening on Thursday morning?
Yes, 10 a.m. works great. Can you slot me in?
Perfect. You're all set for Thursday at 10. See you then. Wow, that was fast and furious. Phone conversations move like a river.
Let's break it down. The caller needed to reschedule, which means to change the time or date of a plan.
And why did he change it? Because something came up. That phrasal verb means an unexpected problem happened.
It's the perfect polite excuse. Then the secretary said, "Let me check." Lemme is the fast version of let me.
Yes, let me see, let me check. She looked for an opening, which means an available time slot on the calendar.
And the caller asked, "Can you slot me in?" To slot someone in means to place their name into that free space on a busy schedule.
What a fantastic list of real-world expressions, Steve. Let's step out of the test and look closer at the patterns.
Notice how words like gonna, wanna, gimme, and lemme are the real secret to native speed.
Exactly. They are like shortcuts on a map. Instead of taking the long road, native speakers combine the sounds to save energy.
So going to becomes gonna, and let me becomes lemme. It makes the conversation flow smoothly, like water.
We also saw conversational phrasal verbs like check out and come up.
Check out is like an invitation to look at something exciting, while something came up acts like a polite shield to protect your privacy when plans change.
Perfect imagery, Steve. And don't forget the retail phrases like in stock and you're in luck. They make shopping interactions much warmer.
This is incredibly clear now, Julia. Hey, listeners, it's time for your favorite part, the daily challenge.
Yes! We want to see you actively practicing in the comments section right now.
Go down below and tell us your final score from 0 to 3. Be honest.
And we have a secret word for today's episode. Steve, what is the secret word?
The secret word is luck.
Perfect! Go to the comments, type the word luck, and write one simple sentence using gonna or wanna.
For example, you can write, "I'm going to practice my English listening every day."
We read every single comment. So show us your skills, Vibe Squad.
All right, Julia, the moment of truth has arrived. What is that golden trick you promised us for understanding fast English in movies?
Okay, here is the secret. When you watch a movie, don't try to translate every single word. Focus only on the content words.
Wait, really? What are content words?
They are the nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Words like gonna and lemme are just grammatical structure juice. If you hear gonna, store, buy, milk, your brain instantly knows the meaning.
Wow. So you ignore the blurry little structural connection words and focus on the main pillars of the sentence?
Exactly. Keep your mind relaxed and catch the big rocks, not the tiny sand particles.
This was an absolutely brilliant lesson, Julia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Steve, and a huge thank you to our incredible listeners. Keep practicing, keep your ears open, and we will see you in our next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep your English vibes flowing.
Goodbye.